Ever thought trash could turn into treasure? We turn everyday waste into wow-worthy creations. It's creative, it's useful, and it's eco-friendly. Save money, save the planet, and get inspired. Curious to see the full transformation? Visit my channel and watch the magic happen. Have you ever thought that even spray can caps could become part of something beautiful and useful? Today, I'm taking a bunch of waste materials and turning them into a stunning DIY storage box with a twist. Started with a few used spray can lids, the kind most of us just throw away. Instead of tossing them out, I saw potential in their unique shape and structure. One by one, this gave the whole piece a jewelry box vibe. Elegant, detailed. I added white and golden decorative beads over the caps. And totally unique. This could be used as a jewelry box or a fancy storage container. I reused an elegant perfume bottle cap. It added a classy, it connects everything together and allows smooth movement to give it a polished look. Rod was carefully fixed inside the main cover to act. Finished look to the piece and worked perfectly to support the center structure. I attached these caps to a sturdy stick, giving it the look of rotating knobs. As the spine of the lid system, each cap was fitted with care to ensure they aligned well. For the top, the lids rotate smoothly using the straw-based stick mechanism, which makes it both fun and functional. Who says waste can't be wonderful? If you loved this upcycling idea and want to see the full process in detail, join me in the full-length video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative transformations.